Hey, what's up guys, this is the Orange Hustler and welcome back to another review. In this review guys, I will talk about the Viadz product. So basically guys, I will show you what is the Viadz product, the sales page, the pros and cons, the live demo and my honest review at the end of this video. Without any further, let's get started. First of all, let's make a small explanation about the Viadz. The Viadz is fresh and never realized it before, but this is a PowerPoint template and consists of 4 different models. This product is perfect for showcase promotion videos, social media promotions, social media branding, and Google Ads. This is a pack for property showcase video and static design templates based on Microsoft PowerPoint. This product will help you to create good promotions videos and strategic design for real estate. You will get the most user-friendly promotion videos, social media ads, templates, and the market. Viadz is the latest premium templates from the Safa Media, which make it easy for you to create an attractive and competitive video promos, social media and ads designs in 3 easy steps. So guys, this is the product page. Easiest way to create better and more engaging showcase product promo and ads using 210 done for you high quality templates, perfect for video promo, Google Ads, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or any online ads promotion platform out there. And like you see, this is some features of the Viadz. Create high conversion promotions, video, social media promo, branding cage, and animated ads only in 3 simple steps. Perfect for video promo, Google Ads, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or any online ads promotion method out there. 210 never realized it before. Premium animated and static ad templates, commercial lessons, sell your videos to customers and profits. There are more than 50 business promotion niche in 2022 that make it easy for you to create unique and converge videos and ads. 100% PowerPoint, easy to use and customize even if you aren't designers. Export to any format you want, save as export to JPG, PNG, GIF, MP4, and finally step-by-step tutorials to get started. And as I said before guys, there is 3 steps to use Viadz. Step number 1 is choose hundreds ready to use animated templates of Viadz. Step number 2, customize, click edit and replace your image video using your chosen templates. And finally, step number 3, export the GIF video, JPG, PNG quickly and easy. Now guys, let's see the product from inside. So basically guys, when you get the product, you will get these folders. You have a lot of niches. So so basically this is the templates. Is easy to use and easy to customize on the PowerPoint, of course. Like you see, all these options and just one template over 210 templates. Also guys, you will get the colors. You can choose a multiple options of colors. Like you see, just drag and drop and use it to your template. And step number 2, open format background and change background color. Like you see, easy. Even a 10 years child can do it without any problems. You can customize any element and the template you choose. Basically just drag and drop and change the color and change the font. And step number 3, change the text according to what you want. For example, like you see, your text summer, you can change it also. You can change everything and the text with anything you want. And like you see, this is the preview of our template. It is professional and simple. Also use the same on any other templates. Like you see, you can change the color, you can change the font color, is basically guys anything on the product you can change it or customize it. And of course guys, you can use these templates on your Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and a lot of platforms to get attention of free buyer traffic. And remember guys that you will get tutorials how to use these wonderful templates. Like you see, there is hundreds of niches, and this is the elements you can choose. For example, this is a fashion ads. For example, you can customize it at the way you want. Like you see guys, you can hide any element or show any element in the selection option in the right corner. Wow, like you see guys, this is awesome. With just 30 seconds you can create attractive templates, can get you a huge number of traffic. And this is the export. Like you see, you can export and a video, give PNG, JPG, any format you want in just few seconds, and click add save and you are done. Also guys, with Viadz you can help your customers to make stunning high conversion showcase video, social media promotion ads, social media branding kit easily in minutes. And for the price guys is only $18, one time pay, no monthly fees. Besides you will get a 30 days money back guarantee if you face a problem using this product or you don't like it. They have developed Viadz as an easiest and simplest animated static promotion and ads templates without creating from scratch, ready to go, fully animated and smart solution for your business with high conversion, eye-catching, attractive and unique design. Your ads will converge and you won't need a large budget. Better media is more online attention. I really guys impressed with Viadz. It has a lot of amazing features that will help users to create ads, videos and graphics, and I am already checked all templates from the social media. One thing for sure, that this product is creatively stunning, easily edited and have professional look. It's awesome and highly recommended. The link in the description below, and I will much appreciate it because I will get a small commission. Also guys, you will get available bonuses. That's it guys for the Viadz review for today. I wish you benefit. If so, please give this video a like. Also guys, don't forget to smash the red button below to enjoy our family on YouTube. Take care and see you later.